What is up, guys? So basically today all we're doing is we finally got some new rotors and brake pads for the G. We also did get some spark plugs and we did an oil change. We just did the front. Sheesh. Spark plugs are next. Sheesh. No more rust. Most definitely not. These are the old ones. Ugh. Yeah. We still haven't done the back. That's ugly. Y'all seen the first ones. New ones right there. So to top it off, right after I get my brakes done, fucking tire pops. There's a big ass nail inside there. Where's that shit at? Hurt. So I gotta throw on the spare. So I just put it on, but this shit look flat to me too. Fuck it. As long as it makes it to the shop. Yes, sir.
It's all straight. It's all straight, and it's like 4 lanes, dog. It's fucking 4 lanes, dog. Like it's like the route that we used to do. If we used to would meet up, like right there.
Yeah, bro. It's fucking literally. I was just telling one of the friends right here that he actually
Yeah, fuck your.
picked up today.
Sheesh, the carbon. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I know I haven't really been keeping you guys up with what I've been doing lately. I haven't posted any videos. That's gonna change today. So this weekend, finally, long story short, I finally did a purchase that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. Shit. Oh, yo. So I had a cop a bike. This is a 2-stroke, so it's a 125 Suzuki. So lit thing about today, yesterday we drained the oil, did an oil change, spark plug change. So it should be running good. Brand new spark plug. Oh yeah, energy racing. Yep, I have to. So got my girl out here, my boy too. Out here fixing shit, man. Fuck. We ain't even mechanics, but we working on shit. Hey, you know. So right now, all I need to do, went to fucking chop her out, get some transmission oil because it is a 2-stroke, so it doesn't take regular oil. New spark plug, just because, you know the vibes, just because. What is up, boys? Just finished doing the whole tune-up, changed spark plugs. This shit was done for it. Yo, energy, that way. But we had to get the energy racings, you know that. Oil change is done. Spark plugs are in. I'm about to give you guys a first little startup. That's open. Yes, sir. So hopefully we're gonna see how she's running today. She should be running pretty fucking good. So right here with my buddy's bike, he has a YFZ 450. So what's sorry part about this is he just bought it, but the guy that he got it from, we're taking a real big guess that he mixed coolant and the oil together. So I kind of fucked up his motor a little bit, so we have to just flush it all out, reflush it. Hopefully it works like that. Also, this ended up happening to his block. So I don't know if you can see. This is completely done.
Fuck it,
Middle, so you can see them pass. Ten-speed Mustang, Can-Am, fucking turbo. Sheesh.